Today we're going to give a second life to this 3/8 ratchet. This ratchet made by Stanley still have long life to go, but we need to take care of it. Okay guys, let's get started and yeah, get this bad boy back in business. Okay, let's remove the snap ring, and ratcheting gear just doesn't work anymore, and simply by doing cleanup and lubricating the ratchet gear will make it work. Okay, let's take it all apart. As you can see, that gear is out, there's no wear on it, and see the switch mechanism, the small boot is moving, and that needs to be cleaned up. As you can see, teeth on the gear is still like new, no problem. Lock, unlock, that one works. Let's do the cleanup. I'm using a deep grip, and yeah, we'll clean all that debris. Let's clean the gear as well. Just do the good cleanup inside. Make sure there's no any dirt. Let's clean those ratchet gear teeth, and yeah, just learn how to fix things. I wouldn't even say this is a repair, it's more like a maintenance thing. You just clean it and lube, and let's now lubricate it. I'm using sewing machine oil. You can use a gear oil, engine oil, it will work. Let's put a little bit on a gear, and yeah, and now time to put it together. Yeah, lubricated switch lever. Let's put the gear back in the housing. Let's wipe it the rest, and this ratchet actually served me well, and probably I should lubricate it more often. And yeah, let's lube a little bit of that lock, and put a snap ring back. Here we go, all intact, clipped, and now it works like a new and good to go. You will see this ratchet on my channel. I use it quite a bit, and yeah, if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put it down in the comment section below. Very appreciated your time. Subscribe to the channel, and see you soon. Bye bye.